Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will see how to fix the could not find the recovery environment error while resetting your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC using a simple and easy method. However, in most cases, the recovery partition is still present on the system but the recovery environment is disabled. So before doing anything else, we first need to verify whether the recovery partition is deleted or just disabled. To do that, right-click on the Windows icon and click on Disk Management. Once Disk Management opens, look carefully at the partitions. On my system, you can see a recovery partition on the right-hand side with a size of around 656 megabytes. This confirms that the recovery partition has not been deleted. It is only disabled, which is why I'm facing this reset issue. If you can also see a recovery partition on your PC, then you can follow the next steps. Now, click on Windows Search, type CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click Yes when prompted. Once the command prompt opens, in the black window, we will first check whether the recovery environment is currently enabled or disabled. For that, type the following simple command, reagent/info, and then press Enter. In my case, it shows that the recovery environment is enabled. But on your PC, it will most likely show disabled. If it shows disabled, then we need to enable it. To enable the recovery environment, type this command, reagent/enable, and press Enter. After pressing Enter, you should see a message saying, the operation completed successfully. This means the recovery environment has now been enabled. To be completely sure, we will verify it once again. So type the same command again, reagent/info, and press Enter. This time, you should see the Windows RE status showing enabled. Alright, now we have successfully fixed the issue. You can close the command prompt window. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.